I seek protection in Allah from the cross Shaitan. Allah's name to commence with the most gracious, the most merciful. There is no God beside Allah Azawajal. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the messenger of Allah Azawajal. Indeed, Allah and His angels send blessing upon the conveyor of the unseen news, i.e. Prophet Muhammad. O believer, you too send blessing and abundant salutation upon him. Allah's name to compense with the most gracious, the most merciful. In their eye hypocrites' heart is a disease of hypocrisy, so Allah increase their disease further, and for them is a painful punishment, the recompense of their lie, i.e. hypocrisy. And when it is said to them, make not mischief on earth, so they say, we are but mere reformer. Beware, it is they who are the mischief among us, but they preserve not. And when it is said to them, believe, just as the other people have believed, so they say, should we believe like the fool? Beware, it is they who are the fool, but they know not.